Hello and welcome back to Healthy Health Hub. If you're new here, thank you for joining our growing family of health seekers from all over the world. This is your safe space to discover natural ways to live longer, feel better, and reclaim control of your body. And today, we're uncovering something that affects millions silently: the truth about sugar and inflammation. Whether you're watching from New York, Lagos, London, Delhi, or Manila, this message is for you. Because no matter where you live, excess sugar is creeping into your life, and it might just be the fuel behind your fatigue, brain fog, or unexplained body pain. Stay with us, because what you'll learn today might change how you see every bite of food from now on. Maya's story. Meet Maya, a school teacher in her 30s. She doesn't eat a lot of junk food. Or so she thinks. Every morning she grabs yogurt and granola. At lunch, a salad with light dressing. And after school, a protein bar and fruit juice for a pick-me-up. Yet, she's always tired. Her joints ache. She struggles to focus. Her doctor says she's fine. But she knows something isn't right. Sound familiar? What Maya, and many of us, don't realize is that hidden sugars are everywhere. And they're not just causing weight gain. They're triggering something deeper, something slower, and far more dangerous: chronic inflammation. What is inflammation? Let's break it down. Inflammation is your body's natural defense. When you're hurt or sick, your immune system sends help to heal you. That's called acute inflammation, and it's good, but chronic inflammation is a different beast. It lingers quietly. It doesn't cause pain right away. Instead, it slowly damages your cells, your gut, your brain, your heart, until one day, you're diagnosed with something you never saw coming: conditions like diabetes, heart disease, autoimmune disorders, and even cancer. So where does sugar come in? How sugar fuels the fire. Every time you eat sugar, especially refined or added sugar, your blood sugar spikes. Your body releases insulin to control it. But when you constantly snack on sugary things, your insulin stays high. Over time, your cells stop responding. That's called insulin resistance, and it's a direct route to chronic inflammation. But it doesn't stop there. Sugar also feeds the bad bacteria in your gut, throwing your microbiome out of balance. That leads to a condition called leaky gut, where harmful substances slip into your bloodstream and trigger immune attacks. It also produces cytokines, chemical signals that scream danger to your immune system, even when there's no danger at all. And let's not forget your brain. Sugar messes with your mood, fogs your thinking, and can make you feel tired and addicted. All signs your body's inflamed and struggling to cope. What you feel versus what's happening. Here's what makes sugar so sneaky. You don't always feel it right away. You just notice things like waking up tired, feeling bloated after meals, random joint stiffness, irritability for no reason, a crash at 3 p.m. every day. What's happening behind the scenes? Your immune system is in overdrive, your gut is leaking toxins, and your cells are literally struggling to stay healthy. But there's hope. The good news? Your body is incredibly smart, and it wants to heal. Start by cutting out obvious sources of sugar: sodas, pastries, sweetened drinks. But also look out for hidden sugars in ketchup, salad dressing, low-fat snacks, and cereals. Choose real food. Add fiber, healthy fats, and protein to every meal. Hydrate with clean water or herbal teas. Support your gut with fermented foods like kimchi or yogurt. You don't have to be perfect. Just be consistent. Here's the truth: sugar isn't just about weight, it's about inflammation, and inflammation is the root of most modern diseases. By understanding sugar's hidden role, you can reclaim your energy, boost your focus, and protect your future. If this video helped you see things differently, please hit the like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this.